In Japan, there is a famous saying, "The nail that sticks out gets hammered down." But they forgot to tell you the most important part. They don't just hammer the nail. They hammer the mind that dared to wonder why the nail was there in the first place. Hi, I'm a Japanese deep thinker who returned after 22 years abroad. When I came back, I was genuinely shocked. Shocked by how many people have stopped thinking for themselves and how easily they dissolve into the collective. This shallow, surface-level thinking is one of the major reasons why Japan has been stuck in stagnation for over 3 decades. Today, I want to talk about why deep thinking is treated as a threat in Japan. It's not just a social habit, it's a structural command. Let's break it down. I am a natural deep thinker. I always want to understand the structure behind reality. But after 2 decades away, I realized a brutal truth. In this country, don't think is not advice. It's a survival rule. It's don't think, obey. Since I returned, I've seen this everywhere. In the workplace, where we've always done it this way, is the final answer to every why. I felt like I was speaking a forgotten language. My logic was their noise, because the truth is simple. Deep thinking doesn't fit the standard operating system of Japanese society. And when 2 incompatible systems meet, the deeper one is automatically treated as the problem. The social OS in Japan prioritizes one thing: synchronization. Fitting in, reading the air, following the flow. Deep thinking requires you to stop, analyze, and differentiate. This interrupts the collective flow. Therefore, the system treats your intellect as a disturbance. In Japan, normal equals to order. Questioning normal equals to disorder. When you analyze reality, you aren't seen as intelligent. You're seen as someone breaking the shared illusion of safety. They don't want the truth. They want the feeling of harmony. Deep thinking involves high abstraction and tracing causal structures. The standard Japanese cognitive protocol is designed for surface-level execution. When a system cannot process your depth, it doesn't upgrade itself. It simply labels you as wrong or difficult. When people say you think too much or live more casually, they aren't being kind. What they really mean is, stay on the surface with us. Because if you dive deep, you might see the cracks in the foundation. And if the foundation breaks, they have nowhere to go. They aren't protecting you. They are protecting their own fragile piece. Logic is a threat to the harmony of a sinking ship. This isn't just about my personal frustration. This is why Japan is stuck. Innovation requires deep thinking. It requires questioning the normal. But when a society prioritizes synchronization over optimization, it loses the ability to evolve. Japan is choosing to sink in perfect harmony rather than letting deep thinkers steer the ship in a new direction. In this environment, your brain is your greatest enemy. As a low-context thinker, you might start to doubt yourself. Am I the crazy one? No. You are just trying to use your brain in a place that only demands your silhouette. So when someone tells you you think too much, it does not mean you are abnormal. It means our society does not have the structure to handle your depth. Your depth isn't the problem. The system's limitations are. Deep thinking is not dangerous. It is simply incompatible with a society built on obedience rather than analysis. Deep thinkers in Japan are treated as threats. Not because they are wrong, but because the system cannot process them. Thank you for watching. On this channel, we keep debugging Japan's OS one layer at a time. And see you soon in the next video.